Good afternoon, guys. It is Sunday afternoon, February 22nd, 2026. It's 4:15 p.m. right now, and the snow is just starting to stick right now, as you can see. Here we are looking at the backyard. You can see that the snow is starting to collect on the grass and the trees here. See that? Okay, let's go into the front right now. So this is looking in the front of the house, and as you can see, the snow is just starting to collect on the grasses and the roofs in my car, as you can see. Looking down to the grass. Ooh! Oh, there goes my camera. It's a stupid tripod. Well, you guys get the hint. This is what it looks like right now. More videos to come. Okay, guys, it's an hour later. As you can see, the snow is getting deeper. It's 5:30 right now, as you can see here. So there's definitely a lot more snow. Let's get a zoom up, shall we? You can see the snowflakes are getting bigger now in the street light there. Alright, so that's the backyard. And this is what the front of the house looks like. So as you can see, the grass is starting to get covered and the streets begin to get more snow on it. As you can see there. Even the trees are starting to look nice now. Yeah, I just started up my car so I can get the snow off of it. It was raining before, so I ended up starting my car up so I can get that ice off my car, and then it would turn off. I'm going to have to go up there and brush the snow off. Now that's starting to stick. Alright, you'll see what happens with the storm. Now you can see what it really looks like outside right now. It's starting to get windy. The snow's getting heavier. As you can see here in the street light. This is looking in the backyard. Snow is starting to cover the tree in front of the window here. As you can see, looks like daylight out here. So it's 6:30. It's 2 hours after I did the first video. So let's take a look at the front now. A whole lot of snow now. I just got done shoveling. So you can see why I shoveled. Those flakes are getting big. I dusted off my car, as you can see here. And that wind is blowing. Look at the snow blowing in the street light and everything. Look at that, it's just coming down now. Look at that, crazy. I'm gonna shovel before I go to bed tonight. In front of my car. I know the fucking digger's not gonna shovel me out, so I'm probably gonna pull my car up overnight and just leave my car right there, so I don't have to worry about all this filling up on me. All right, so that's it. This is the 6:30 update. All right, I just got done shoveling. Just a little after I finished the last part of the video. So as you can see, I just did like a little pass and I moved my car up. So my car's up closer to the street now. That's the passway. I'm not blocking the passway, as you can see. And you can see I shoveled just that little bit for myself. So you guys get the hint. I'm just taking care of me right now. Okay, here's our 10:11 update of the storm. 10:11 p.m. Oh, there's a lot of snow out there right now. This is the backyard, as you can see. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Look at that wind. and it's snowing the street light on the next block. So this is what the backyard looks like. All right, so this is what the back deck looks like. And I turned the light off. Ugh. And as you can see, I shoveled. Because I want to make sure this is all cleared when the movers come. So I shoveled all this back here and my deck. So I didn't bother doing his, but I did all mine and the possible pathways that the movers have to go on. So this is what I did back here on my deck. I shoveled the whole thing off, and I've been keeping up at it. This is my second time shoveling it tonight, so I'm gonna be leaving it for the night. So I'm gonna just call it for the night, and I'm gonna see what they do tomorrow. At least I started, which is a good thing. All right, let's go to the front of the house now. Like I said, I just got done shoveling. So I just got done shoveling all this right here, going out to the street. I backed my car up all the way. As you can see here, I didn't bother dusting my car off, but I just moved it back because that spot was already cleared. And then where my car was, as you can see, that's all cleared. So all I had to do was the back of my car so I could pull it back all the way for the night. And then I was able to do by the street. So I'm done for the night now. So I did all this. I even did all the way back here, and I pulled all the way back to the bush here. So I did my part of the driveway. So that's what I did. And this is the curb line right here. So I don't know why the plows didn't come through on this side. This is where the curb is right here. They didn't even do this side of the street. So Winter Wonderland. It's definitely a Winter Wonderland. Okay, so that's it for me. This is the last part of this video for today, Sunday, February 22nd, 2026. So this is the day. This is the first day, and this is part 1. So I did my job. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone, and have a good night.